This is the IMBEL IA2, the rifle that speaks Brazil's spirit. Forged in steel, born in the rainforest. Built to replace the legendary FAL, but faster, lighter, smarter. Chambered in 5.56 or 7.62 NATO, firing 750 rounds per minute. It thrives in mud, sand, or tropical storms. Polymer frame, full Picatinny rails, ready for any modern warrior. IMBEL IA2, no flash, no flare, just survival and precision.